In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create a website using Replit AI. In order to do that, head over to replit.com and then from in there, just click on to this login or sign up option, or you can also write a prompt in order to start building with AI. In this case, let's head over and then create this. We have in here this automation events and the likes. Let me head over and sign up first. Now here is the actual dashboard for that. So in here, you can just head over and then send them a chat or a prompt in order to create a website. So for example, let's put in here, create a website about dog training and health recommendation. So let's send that to this, click onto this start chat, and after that, this will create this for us. So just wait for this to actually create this, and from there, you can just see in here what we have done already. So in this will show you in here how the AI thinks, how it makes the implementation, as well as a lot of things that we can utilize. It will give you in here a visual preview of this particular application or website for us. You can head over and approve that plan if you want to. Now from in there, it will show you a visual preview of it, and you can click onto this get notified when the app is ready. It will review the message, and you can see in here that the agent is gonna work on it, and it may take some minutes and some time for it to be added, but once it's done, you should be able to see in here the actual website that it has made for us. Once you're done, you can also head over and run this application if you're ready. You can also deploy it if you would want. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.